Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to talk about lead generation ads retargeting this time. I have a complete video about how to do lead generation ads and you should watch it if you haven't. So lead generation ads are becoming more and more important day by day, and the reason for that is because I have also a video about it. A lot of people are transitioning to those because of the attribution model and the 7 days instead of 28 days, and a lot of people selling expensive items up to $1 million.
Flashback.
And today I'm going to show you how to sell items
for $1 million.
End of flashback.
They are actually doing lead generation now in order to sell their products. So we have analyzed how to do lead generation, we have analyzed the reason that we need lead generation, and now I'm going to show you some ways to do retarget for lead generation so that you are not going to miss not a single one lead. So first of all, let's analyze a little bit the audiences that you can create with the forms. The first thing that we need to do is, if we go to our custom audiences over here, to create audiences, create custom audiences, I guess I'm correct. And you can come here to the lead form, okay? You can press next, and then you can pick the page that you are advertising, and you have, let's pick also the forms. So here we are having several forms. Let's say that we pick just one over here, and you are having so many options over here. The max retention rate that you can do for lead generation forms is 90 days, okay? It's not 180 days compared to what we have on the site. And here you can have different options. It says anyone who opened this form, someone who clicked and the form opened, people who opened but didn't submit form, and people who opened and submitted the form. Obviously, you don't want to retarget the people who became leads and they submitted the form, but we want to target for sure people who opened but didn't submit the form. And you can create your audience, put your name over here and create the audience. Another thing that I want to point out here is that if you're doing lead generation ads in your site, then what you need to do is you need to do a custom audience, website, next, and you can come here and you can pick the actual event that is going to be your lead generation event, you can pick the traffic that you might have to the store. Basically, you're not going to pick the lead generation event to retarget it because they became a lead, but you can actually create the audience of the lead generation so that you can exclude these people from your retargeting. So in other words, let me show you how it's going to look on the Ads Manager. When you're going to create your audiences, you're going to come here and you're going to do this time a conversion campaign, okay? You're going to press continue. Here, if you have this option, you're going to click manual. We want to have full control. You're going to name your campaign, whatever you want here. You're going to open CBO, or you can use ABO, it doesn't matter over here. Let's say that we put a budget of 20 per day. And here, you're going to do your retargeting. And we can have here, you can either do a conversion event that you're going to send people to your site. So in that case, here I'm having purchase, but let's say that you're going to click the X here and you're going to put the event that is going to be the lead, okay? And then you're going to set your campaign for the next day at 6 a.m. I'm not going to analyze each one of the settings here in the campaign. I'm having the complete video guide, which is how to do dynamic creative ads, that you can do it. The same way you have to open this if you want to do dynamic creative or whatever you want to do if you want to do normal ads. But the most important thing is here. When you come to your custom audiences here, you can put the audience that you created. For example, people who have visited the site, like for example, website visitors, I guess. All website. Okay, so we have, for example, all website visitors in the last 60 days, and you're going to exclude this time the custom audiences that you have created with the people that they have actually became a lead. Okay, now this is a very easy way for you to do it, and this is how you should do it. Now, if you want to actually retarget people that inside the platform with lead generation forms, The process is exactly the same. You're doing a conversion campaign. This time you're doing a lead generation, not conversion campaign. You're doing a lead generation campaign this time. And now, again, title, CPO, and then you come here, you're picking your correct page, and over here in your custom audiences, you're going to pick this time the audiences that we have created for the people who opened the form, but they never became a lead. And below, you're going to exclude the custom audience, which is going to be the people that they have actually became a lead. And this is how you do properly retargeting ads for your lead generation campaigns. I'm going to show you for the closing of this video. Before we close this video, I need to clarify something. I know that a lot of you might be disturbed because I'm not showing step by step how to do a campaign. First of all, if you're that lazy and you're not willing to watch several videos in order to understand how to do Facebook ads, I don't care. This is your problem. Second thing, this channel is not about super beginners. Okay? If you are a super beginner, you can go watch my free course. It's there, it's free, and you can see how to do Facebook ads. This channel is all about the extra information that you are missing and the extra stimulation to do better ads. For me, Facebook ads are exciting when we're talking about the scaling level, not how to do a very basic retargeting campaign. I have videos like this, I have created them, you can go and you can watch them, but from now on, the videos are going to be in a more advanced level. Until we meet again, be creative and be consistent and be patient, watch several videos.